Hello, all of you. Let's continue with the concept of GMAT quant topic, one of the important topic named fractions, decimals, percentage. And here we will deal exactly how to represent a fraction, percent, or decimal. Actually, all these three things are same. Only I could say the way of representation will be different. And we will work out with one by one. So let's start. Yeah. So if I explain exactly what are these, let me show you how it will work out. Let's say if I write 1 over 2. So if you see, whenever you are able to write any number in the form of numerator or denominator, then you call it a fraction. So like I started this GMAT quant series. In this, what I will do, I will teach you all those important topics which is important for GMAT quant so that you could score well. And accordingly, I will solve past year quant questions also along with my tutoring sites. So the important part, what I'm going to explain about is fraction. So in fraction, we have always numerator and denominator. And if I write like, let's say 2, it means it is also a fraction because I can convert it like this. If nothing is in the denominator, it means there will be 1. And if you convert like this 1 over 2, if you convert this number into ratio, it will look like this 1 is to 2. This is what we call ratio. And if you want to convert the same in decimal, then what you will do, you just divide it. You just divide this 1 by 2. And if you see, you will use obviously decimal because 1 is less than 2. So 2 5s are 10, it will work out, right? And then you will get the answer, which is 0. Hence, I could say the decimal representation would be 0.5. And if you want to convert in percentage, then in that case, what you will do when you are trying to convert fraction into percentage, then you will multiply with 100. That will give you 50%. Even same logic will work out for your uh, decimal also. Like if you want to convert this decimal into percentage, then also what you will do, simply multiply with 100. And then also you will get the same result if the number is same. So here also it will be same. But the important part, what you have to keep in mind, when you are going from fraction or decimal to percent, then you will multiply with 100. And when you are coming back from percent, like 50% back to, you can say fraction, then you will divide. Like I want to convert this in fraction, then I will have to divide this, that is, I could say 50 over 100. Then if you reduce, you will get 1 over 2. And the same logic will work out for decimal also, right? Because we have 50% and again 1 over 2 already you have. Now you can divide, you will get the answer decimal. So now I think this is clear. This is how we will move on with the concept. Okay. Now I think this is clear. Let's move further. Now you will see the important part in actually quant part is no calculator is allowed. It means obviously the questions would not be that difficult. What you have to do, you have to visualize exactly what will be the best possible way to fix up and solve the problem so that you could get the answer. And second important part is obviously if you see the ability to perform complicated and detailed calculation, actually not that difficult complex problem will be there. You have to use your logics and you have to avoid detailed calculation. Ultimately, you have to reach the final answer. You have to use your logic just by doing simple steps. Okay. Now the important part, like in structure, if I talk about, there will be 21 questions carrying time limit will be 45 minutes. And if you score here good marks, then automatically overall score will go up. And the fraction part, what I had explained you earlier in the advance, there here they have given the explanation. Like 1 over 2, and then accordingly 0.5. And if I want to convert it in I mean percentage, then it will go like this. So all these three numbers will be same. The only thing is in the representation, like how we are trying to represent a different forms of number using percentage, fraction, decimals. Okay, hope till here everything is clear. Rest will continue in the next session. Thank you.